In this video, I'm going to teach you how to download a photo or a graphic in Canva. So the first thing that you need to do is log into your Canva account, and you will either end up on your home dashboard or your templates dashboard. Now, navigate over to the left-hand column of menu options from wherever you are and click on projects. When you do this, Canva will present all of the projects that you are currently working on. Now, from here, you want to locate the project with the image that you would like to download. And when you find it, just simply click on it. And when you do this, the project will open up in a new window inside of Canva's design editor. Now, once you have your image available and ready for download, look over to the top right-hand corner and click on share. When you do that, you'll be presented with a bunch of options. You just want to look for download, and when you find it, click on it. Once you've clicked on download, you will now be able to specify the file type, and since you are downloading a graphic or an image, you want to select PNG, as this is the best for complex images and illustrations. And you can also resize using the size slider depending on the exact size that you would like, but I'm going to leave mine as it currently is. And below that, you're also able to limit the file size, which you can do if you need, and you can enter the target kilobytes, and you can also compress the file, which results in a lower quality. So I would not check that. And you can also decide whether or not you would like a transparent background for your graphic or for your image, but I would leave all of these unchecked unless you specifically need to check them. So once you are ready to download your image, simply click on download, and Canva will prepare your download. And once it is downloaded, you will be able to find the download in your device's downloads folder or wherever your downloads save to. So I hope that you found this tutorial helpful, and if there is anything that you found yourself struggling in during the process, or any questions you may have, or anything that you think I may have missed, please feel free to leave that in the comment section below, and I will respond as soon as I can. Thanks for watching the video.